Hi, Earl Willis here with the Child Care Association of Louisiana. New friends or new foes? Our children's fate is in our hands. Big change is coming to the Louisiana legislature this year, and in recent years, the Child Care Association of Louisiana has been very influential and effective in the Louisiana legislature. How have we been able to succeed so well? Because of you! We've established key contacts all around the state to enable lawmakers to be in contact with people who know children the best. That's you, the people actually operating, directing, and working in child care centers. Now the time has come to rekindle old relationships and start making new ones to make sure we have champions for children all across the state. With your expertise, you will be the go-to resource for those who swore to represent you. In order to do so, you must reach out as soon as possible. Remember, it is much better to be proactive rather than reactive. We will help you establish yourself as a credible, trustworthy source like we know you are. When you have children's well-being as your passion, there is no limit as to what we can accomplish for our most precious asset, children. Here are some vital pieces of information you must know. We will be getting a new governor on November 21st. It will either be Republican David Vitter or Democrat John Bel Edwards. A new governor will most likely appoint all new administrative positions. Not including mid-year cuts, we have a budget deficit of $1.7 billion. Money will be extremely tight, and everything will be on the chopping block. When in a deficit, something's got to give. We have to be prepared to make sure that something is not inhibiting our children's growth and development. Lawmakers must have all the facts and understand the importance of early childhood education in order to protect it. Without your expertise and explanation, they may not be aware of the endangerment of cutting early childhood education funds. We have 41 new members of the legislature who may or may not know anything about child care, or who you or we are. Throughout the next couple of weeks, hundreds, possibly thousands of people will be reaching out to them. Most of these people will be trying to influence them. If we aren't at the forefront of introducing ourselves, there's no way to ensure we are protected. So what can you do? We need you to call your legislator and invite them to come visit your child care center. Reach out to be a resource and an expert in the field of child care, because that's exactly what you are. No one knows childhood development better than you do, because you teach it, you see it, and you improve it on a day-to-day basis. Attached and a link on this video, there will be a list of newly elected officials, those in a runoff, and those who were re-elected. Please take time to reach out for a 5 to 10 minute phone call and introduce yourself. You have all of their phone numbers, and if you can't get in touch, send them an email. Lastly, we have inputted some talking points from Louisiana's Platform for Children so you can show the exact facts and numbers and importance of early childhood education. With this information, your expertise, and our combined efforts, no child will be neglected. What a noble cause we are fighting for. Now it is time to get the entire state on board. Thank you. And again, this is Earl Willis with the Child Care Association of Louisiana. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your executive director, Ms. Cindy Bishop, who can be reached at cindy.bishop@checkmate-strategies.com or by phone at 225-933-5435. Thanks, and we hope you have a great day.